There's no better way to enhance your yoga experience than with the right yoga mat with bag. There are many products available to choose yoga mats with bag, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best yoga mats with bag from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Maximo Fitness Yoga Mat. Crafted for fitness aficionados across the spectrum, the Maximo Fitness Yoga Mat with bag stands as an essential ally in your exercise arsenal. Measuring a generous 72x24 with a thickness of 12-inch, this mat offers superior cushioning to protect your joints during a diverse range of activities, from yoga to Pilates and beyond. Its non-slip surface ensures unwavering stability through dynamic sessions, and the practical carrying strap enhances portability, making it an indispensable tool for enhancing your workout regimen. Number 2. Uminux Yoga Mat Extra Thick 13 Non-Slip Yoga Mats. The Uminux Yoga Mat with bag is a perfect choice for anyone who wants a comfortable and safe yoga session. With its exceptional thickness of 13-inch, it provides excellent support and cushioning for your joints during your workout. The mat is made of eco-friendly TPE material, which is non-toxic, odorless, and free of harmful chemicals. This yoga mat also comes with a carrying sling and storage bag, making it easy to transport and store. The parfait pink and gray color combination is stunning, making this yoga mat with bag a stylish addition to your workout gear. Number 3. Signature Fitness All-Purpose. The Signature Fitness Yoga Mat with bag is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable yoga mat. The extra thickness of the mat provides added support and cushioning for your joints during your practice. The anti-tear construction ensures that this yoga mat with bag will stand up to even the most intense sessions. The included carrying strap makes it easy to take this mat on the go, while the optional yoga blocks add even more versatility to your practice. Overall, this is an excellent budget brand that is sure to become your go-to for all your yoga needs. Number 4. Yoga Mat with Carry Strap. The Primasole Yoga Mat with bag strap is the perfect accessory for all your yoga, Pilates, and fitness needs. This 14-inch 6mm mat is made with high-density foam that provides great cushioning and support for your joints. The Django green color adds a pop of vibrancy to your workout routine. The carry strap makes it easy to take with you to the gym or to store at home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this Primasole Yoga Mat with bag strap has got you covered. Number 5. Nuveti Yoga Mat Print Extra Thick TPE Non-Slip Fitness Exercise Mat. The Nuveti Yoga Mat with bag is an excellent option for anyone who wants a comfortable and durable yoga mat with bag. This 72x24 extra thick 6mm exercise and workout mat is perfect for yoga, Pilates, and floor exercises. The non-slip surface ensures that you can hold poses without slipping, and the extra thickness provides cushioning for your joints. The carrying bag makes it easy to take the mat to the gym or studio. Overall, this yoga mat with bag is an excellent budget brand that doesn't disappoint. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.